Automation workflows grow complex fast, and 6 months later, nobody remembers why each step is there. Meet Sticky Notes in FlowMattic, documentation that lives right on your workflow canvas. Here's a blog post automation, a form trigger, 3 AI steps, a featured image, and a WordPress draft. To annotate it, just click the Sticky Note button in the Canvas controls. A fresh note drops in, give it a title, and describe what the workflow does. Then hold Control and drag to place it right where it helps. Need more context? Add a note for every section of your flow. Color code them from a 6-swatch palette, pick any colors that make sense to you. Notes can hold links too. Paste a URL, and it opens in a new tab. Notes are pure annotation. They're never numbered and never run as steps in your automation. Now the whole workflow explains itself at a glance. Sticky Notes, one more way FlowMattic keeps your automations easy to maintain.